Think nectarines and cocoa don't belong in the same loaf? Well, think again. This nectarine chocolate bread is proof that fruity and chocolatey flavors can be best friends. Plus, it's gluten-free. First, start by whisking your dry ingredients. Flour, cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, allspice and salt. In another bowl, mix softened butter with sugar and fresh orange zest until light and fluffy. Then beat in eggs one at a time. Add orange juice, then gently fold in your dry mix and chopped nectarines. Pour the batter in a lined loaf pan and smooth the top. Add almond slices into the batter for that deep, nutty flavor. Bake at 175 for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until a skewer comes out clean and the top feels springy. While you're waiting, go ahead and like and subscribe. Now for the real fun. Caramelized nectarines. Melt some butter and brown sugar in a skillet, add fresh nectarine slices, and cook until soft, glossy, and golden. Spoon them warm over each slice of loaf. And there you have it, the perfect balance of fruit, spice, and cocoa. If you like it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more cocoa creations like this one.